In today's video, we are going to be dimensioning an ArchiCAD plan from scratch. So if you're a beginner, this is exactly what you need. We are going to start by carrying out the exterior dimensioning, then interior dimensioning, and without waste of time, let's dive in. So click on walls, press in Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all the walls, navigate to documents, down to annotations, automatic dimensioning. We are going to start by dimensioning exterior dimensions. We are going to get rid of the third one. I like all the others except the third one, and place dimension on 4 sides below. Once done, I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to draw out my plan. Double click on it, and I'll have my dimensions all set out. So probably I want to do my interior dimensions. ArchiCAD is not that really advanced on interior dimensioning in terms of automatic, so preferably I just like to dimension normally, so it shouldn't take me a lot of time. So you right click, and I want to place it like here. Do the same for this section. I'm going to get rid of all the wall thickness, which is 0.15. I don't like ArchiCAD's default dimensions because of these lines that extend. So to be able to solve that issue, I'm going to click on dimensions under documents, press Ctrl A to select all the dimensions, double click on the dimensions, and I'm going to change my weakness line to the second one, which is this. Once done, I'm going to click OK.